Welcome to Algebra Prep Academy. The lesson for today is simplifying complex fractions by using common denominators. A complex fraction is a fraction over a fraction. So for example 1, we have 1/4 plus 4/3 over 5/6 plus 5/12. We want to get the common denominator, so we're going to multiply this side by 3 over 3, this side by 4 over 4, and same with the denominator, so we're going to multiply this side by 2 over 2. Then we multiply it out and we get 3 over 12 plus 16 over 12 over 10 over 12 plus 5 over 12. So we have 3 plus 16, which gives us 19 over 12. We have 10 plus 5, which gives us 15 over 12. We're going to multiply it by 12, which is technically 12 over 1. So this gives us 228 over 12 over 180 over 12. We want to simplify it so it's only one fraction, so 12 goes into 228 19 times. 12 goes into 180 15 times. So our answer is now 19 over 15. In example 2, we're going to simplify 1/2 plus 7 over x over 3/16 plus 5 over y. We want to get common denominator, so we're going to multiply this side by 2 over 2, this side by x over x. Same with the bottom, so we're going to multiply this side by y over y, and this side by 16 over 16. We then get x over 2x plus 14 over 2x over 3y over 16y plus 80 over 16y. We're now going to simplify it, so we got 14 plus x over 2x over 3y plus 80 over 16y. Now that we have that, we want to do 14 plus x over 2x, and we're going to multiply it by the reciprocal, so we're going to have 16y on the top over 3y plus 80. So now we're going to multiply this out, which gives us 16y times 14 plus x over 2x times 3y plus 80. So now we want to simplify, so we're going to make the 2 and the 16 simplify into 8y times 14 plus x over x times 3y plus 80. So at this point we can now distribute. So we're going to distribute the 8y into the 14 and the x to the 3y plus 80, and we get 112y plus 8xy over 3xy plus 80x. And that is your final answer.
In example 3, we have 4a squared minus b squared over ab over 4 over b minus 2 over a, and I will multiply it by the least common denominator so that we'll have the same denominator in the bottom portion. This results in 4a squared minus b squared over ab over 4a over ab minus 2b over ab. Now you can factor out the 4a squared minus b squared, which is 2a plus b times 2a minus b over ab over 4a over ab minus 2b over ab. 2a plus b times 2a minus b over ab over 4a minus 2b over ab, since those two have the same denominators. You could rewrite this into 2a plus b times 2a minus b over ab times ab over 4a minus 2b, which is multiplying by the reciprocal. The ab will cross out with each other. And this will result in 2a plus b times 2a minus b over 4a minus 2b. This equals to 2a plus b times 2a minus b over 2a minus b, and we're going to take out a 2 to simplify it. So the 2 is in front now. The 2a minus b on both the top and bottom will cancel out, because if you divide 2a minus b divided by 2a minus b, it's 1, so it leaves you with 2a plus b on the top and 2 on the bottom. And that's your final answer.
In example 4, we have 2 over x plus 3 plus 2 over x plus 5 all over 2x squared plus 13x plus 20 all over 2xy plus 10x plus 5y plus 25. On this side, we have to multiply x plus 5 top and bottom to get common denominators. As well as this side only, you multiply x plus 3 over x plus 3 to get common denominators. After distributing x plus 5 on the left side and x plus 3 on the right side, you get 2x plus 10 over x plus 5 times x plus 3 plus 2x plus 6 over x plus 5 times x plus 3 all over 2x squared plus 13x plus 20, which is over 2xy plus 10x plus 5y plus 25. On this step, you must combine like terms on the top half and factor by grouping on the bottom half. After combining like terms and factoring by grouping, you get 4x plus 16 over x plus 3 times x plus 5, which is all over 2x squared plus 13x plus 20 over 2xy plus 10x plus 5y plus 25. After the grouping process, you must factor out the variables on the lower half of the equation, and in the process you get 4x plus 16 over x plus 3 times x plus 5 all over x plus 4 times 2x plus 5, which is over 2x times y plus 5 plus 5 times y plus 5. Now on this step, since y plus 5 is the common factor, then you can factor it out and you're left with 2x plus 5 as your second factor. Now in this step, you must multiply the numerator by the reciprocal of the denominator, which will result in 2x plus 5 times y plus 5 over x plus 4 times 2x plus 5. Now you must factor out 4 from 4x plus 16 to get it into its simplest form. Now that you have factored 4x plus 16, you can cancel out common terms to further simplify your equation. And now you are left with 4 times y plus 5 over x plus 3 times x plus 5. And now you distribute 4 into y plus 5 and multiply x plus 3 and x plus 5, resulting in 4y plus 20 over x squared plus 5x plus 3x plus 15. After combining 5x and 3x, you are now left with 4y plus 20 over x squared plus 8x plus 15 as your final answer. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.